Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 174 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to do a quick video right now. It looks like it's sprinkling again. It's been raining a lot here. Let me show you what I do. I was doing it, and I remember, I've been asked before, and I never made a video about it, about my asparagus when it's dormant, or when you're pulling out the ferns, that is. So let me show you. So the asparagus bed is here. This is UC 157F1. It grows out of the ground in my location. Well, it might be just me though, because of how much 8 to 10 inches of mulch I've put in seaweed over the years. You can see right here, it's growing out of the ground, as you can see. So the question I get a lot is, what do you do with all the, you can see them here, hundreds of these, the little seed berries. They're just little berries. They look like berries, but they're full of, you can see the black seeds inside, or the black. Those are all little seeds. What I do is I used to have my son just go, luckily they're red, so you can see where they are. Luckily, really, that helps. But my son used to go and just pick one at a time and just pile it up and we'll throw it out. Or else you would have a little asparagus growing out of the ground everywhere, like little asparagus this big. This is just a cutting of one of the big ferns, and you just see them everywhere and you have to dig them up, or else it's gonna spread like crazy. What I do is I get a broom. So I get a broom and I just sweep it out and just pile it up. So you can see how many red berries there are in there that have seeds. And then I just, either I sift through this, or I just forget about this good soil and just put new mulch on top of the asparagus. So time is very important to everyone, and especially me. So I collect this amount of good mulch and I just put a new layer of mulch on top of the asparagus. This is extremely quick to do it. That's pretty much it. There's a tip for asparagus. So if you have problems with little asparagus growing everywhere, when it's dormant and there's no asparagus in the way, just go and sweep it out. Get a tough bristle broom. Don't get anything soft like those, what do you call them? The hay brooms, I forgot what they call straw brooms. You need tough bristles and just sweep it out. All right, everybody. Happy gardening. Bye.